Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn everything about algorithm. The word algorithm comes from the name of Arabic writer Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. It's a series or set of steps if followed in a sequence will solve a problem. It is always written in a natural language so it would be easy to understand for everyone. It has three main elements: input, processing, and output. Let's check out an easy example how to prepare a tea by making its algorithm. These are the steps which if you follow in a sequence would make a cup of tea. The first one is start, then take a kettle, pour water in it, put the kettle on fire, add tea leaves, milk and sugar, wait till it boils, remove the kettle from fire and then stop. Algorithm is considered very important in problem solving because it's a step-by-step guide for problem solvers and it's a complete description how the problem is being solved. First we have a problem, then we make its flowchart, then we write the algorithm and afterwards the algorithm is converted to any of the computer programming language. There are few notations and keywords which would help in writing an algorithm. The first one is start, it's the starting point of an algorithm. And the second one is stop, it's the termination point or ending point of an algorithm. We used to write the start at the first step and we used to write the stop in the last. The next one is input and output. After starting the algorithm, the first thing is we used to get input from the user. And in the end, before stopping our algorithm, we used to display the result by using the keyword output. You can see here in this example. The next notation is set. It would name and update data value in the memory. If you want to store something in the memory, for example, a plus b is going to be stored in the variable or the memory place sum. Or if you want to update any value, for example, if we are going to write 1 in the counter place and after few steps we are going to increment or decrement the same value, means that we are going to update the data or update the value of the counter, then we are going to use the keyword set. The next notation or keyword is if else. It is used to check the condition, gives option to execute alternate steps. Else is optional to write. You can skip the else keyword. We are going to start the algorithm, input two numbers A and B, and we are going to check if A is greater than B, then output A, otherwise output B. In this case, only step number 4 or step number 5 will be executed. The next keyword is go to. It transfers controls to a certain step of algorithm. We mostly use it in loops where we are going to repeat a step or number of steps many number of times according to some criteria. Let's start our algorithm and set counter to 1, input a number n and output n, and then increment the counter value by 1. In step number 6, if you will see, I have used the keyword go to. I am going to transfer the control from step number 6 to step number 3 in order to repeat step number 3, 4, 5 again. When the control will transfer to step number 6 again it will go to step number 3 until and unless I will provide a criteria to stop the loop. I hope you have learned how to write an algorithm. In the upcoming videos, I will show you some more examples. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.